Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this video we are going to discuss about the electrochemistry class 3. Okay friends, in before my previous video I had discussed about the electrochemistry class 2 is electrolytic cell. Okay friends, those are the important key points are present in the electrolytic cell. First of all, in before my previous video I had discussed about the electrolytic cell. Okay friends, in electrolytic cell, cation is towards cathode side. In cathode is a negative terminal. Okay friends, it means cathode is a negative and cation is a positive. Okay friends, in electrolytic cell, cation is towards cathode side. Here, this is the reduction takes place. What is reduction friends? Reduction is gain of electron, that is called as reduction. But in anion, here anion is a negative sign, so anion is towards anode side. Okay friends, towards anode side. Here anode is a positive electrode, here cathode is a negative electrode. So here what happened there friends, in electrolytic cell anode is a oxidation takes place. What is oxidation friends? Oxidation is loss of electron. These two important points are discussed in electrolytic cell. But in this video we are going to discuss about the electrolytic cell is two important aspects. Okay friends, first aspect is qualitative aspect, and second one is quantitative aspect. Okay friends, two important aspects in this video we are going to discuss about. First one is qualitative and quantitative. What is qualitative? Qualitative means we will oxidize and we will reduce. Okay friends, we will oxidize and we will reduce. Okay friends, these two important aspects are discussed in this video. What is qualitative? Qualitative is which one is reduction and which one is oxidation takes place. It means we will oxidize and we will reduce. But what is quantitative? Quantitative is how much product. Okay friends, how much we will get. Okay friends, how much we will get. In this, how much we will get is calculate the weight and calculate the volume and calculate the current and time. Okay friends, how much product we will get. Okay friends, for example, we will get to metal, how much weight of metal is present in there, and we will get the gas, how much gas is calculated. The gas is calculated to the volume and how much current is present in there and how much time to that reaction is complete. Okay friends, this is the quantitative and this is the qualitative. In this video we are going to discuss about the qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative mean we will oxidize and we will the reduction. Okay friends, which one is oxidation and which one is reduction takes place that particular cell reaction. Okay friends, what is the quantitative? Quantitative means how much we will get. Okay friends, finally output is how much we will get. This is calculated in these four parameters. Okay friends, in these qualitative aspects is factors affecting. Those are the important factors is depends upon these qualitative. The factors is depends upon these qualitative is first one is electrolyte. First one is electrolyte. In electrolyte is liquid state. Okay friends, in electrolyte is liquid state. And second one is medium. Okay friends, medium. Okay friends, these qualitative is means this is depends upon the electrolyte and it depends upon the medium. The medium is two medium. First one is aqueous medium, it means water, and next one is ether, and in next important medium is molten state. Okay friends, molten state. Okay friends, medium. These depend upon this qualitative is medium. Okay friends, the medium it changes the how much you will get. We will get the product is also changes. Okay friends, this is the very important aspect and this is very important factors that affecting of these qualitative aspects is three. One is electrolyte and second one is medium and third one is electrode. So much important friends, electrode. Okay friends, in before my previous video I had discussed about the electrolytic cell. The present in the two electrodes are platinum electrodes. Platinum electrode is inert electrode. So So in these inactive electrolytes cannot participate in electrolytic process. Okay friends, these for example you have to use the electrode for the active electrode, so that active electrode is present in there, so that active electrode is participate the chemical reaction, it participates the electrolysis, so the quantitative is changes, how much you will get, the product is also changes. Okay friends, these are the very important factors affecting of these qualitative aspects. Okay friends, in qualitative aspects is three important factor. First one is depends upon the electrolyte, and second one is the medium, and third one is the electrode. Okay friends, in this video we are going to discuss about these important points. Okay friends, now what is the cell representation of the electrolytic cell? Okay friends, now we are going to discuss about the electrolytic cell representation. This is clear friends. First of all, this is arrays. Okay friends, now we are going to discuss about the electrolytic cell representation. Okay friends, representation of electrolytic cell, so much important friends. Electrolytic cell, representation of electrolytic cell. For example, you have to consider a container like this container. Okay friends, this container is a electrolytic solution is present in there. That electrolytic solution is electrovalent bonds are present in there, that is called as ionic compound. Okay friends, this is the electrolytic solution. Okay friends, in this electrolytic solution is it means cations and anions is present. This is the ionic compound. Okay friends, for example, you have to consider a NaCl. This NaCl is the Na plus and Cl minus. Here this is the cation and this is the anion. At equilibrium, what happened there friends? This is the dissociation takes place. So Na plus Cl minus. Say as the same time, this is the electrolyte solution is I am represented to the Ca. So at equilibrium, what happened there friends? This is Ca plus and A minus, cations and anions. So here this is the C plus and this is the A minus. Okay friends, this is the electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution is ionic compound. Okay friends, electrolytic solution is ionic compound. Here this is the molten state. Okay friends, here this Ca is the molten state. It means here this electrolytic solution is molten state. What is molten state friends? Molten state is generally this is the not aqueous. Molten state is the solid is converted to the liquid. Okay friends, solid is converted to the liquid, that is called as molten state. It means here high temperature is present in there. Here this is the high temperature is applied. So what happened there? Here this is converted to the liquid. Okay friends, in solid is converted to the liquid. Here high temperature is applied, so solid is converted to the liquid. This is the molten state. I am talking about this electrolytic solution is a molten state. So now we have to consider two electrodes. Here the two electrodes are platinum electrodes. Here the two electrodes are platinum electrodes friends. You know that platinum electrodes are inert electrode. Platinum electrodes are inert electrode. It cannot participate electrolytic process. Okay friends, these two electrodes are connected to the battery negative terminal in this left side electrode, and positive terminal is connected to the right side this electrode. Okay friends, this is the electrolytic cell representation. This is the positive and this is the negative terminal. Okay friends, here this is the negative terminal. Here this is the negative ions are present in there. So this is the cathode. This is the cathode. Here cathode is a reduction takes place. And anode is a oxidation takes place. Already you know that in my previous video I had discussed about these important points. So here these are the positive, it means electron deficiencies are present in there. So here this is the cathode, this is the anode, this electrode is a positive electrode, this is the negative electrode. This negative electrode is connected to this is the cathode is connected to this battery negative terminal, anode is connected to the battery positive terminal. So okay friends, these are the platinum electrodes. Here these are the aqueous, these are the electrolytic solution in liquid state. This is the diagram of the electrolytic cell. Okay friends, now we are going to discuss about the representation of this electrolytic cell. This is so much important friends. First of all, you have to any electrolytic cell, you have to find out, you have to representation the cell represent. First of all, you have to consider these two lines. Okay friends, you have to consider these two lines. In these two lines, first of all here represented to the medium. And next one here represented to the electrolyte. What type of electrolyte are present in there, and here this is the concentration and the temperature is given in there. The electrolytic concentration and temperature is given in there. This is the first important point in the cell representation. Okay friends, now to consider here these two lines, and here this is the medium is representation, and the next one is electrolyte is present in there, and that electrolyte is concentration and temperature is given in there. So here right hand side is reduction takes place, and here left hand side is oxidation. So this is the anode is present in there in this left side, and this is right side is cathode takes place. Okay friends, in this cathode, in this is the reduction and this is the oxidation of the two electrodes are present in these columns. Okay, two electrodes are present in this cell representation. First of all in anode. Okay friends, first of all in anode is here this is the anode and common. Okay friends, anode common and anode product. Okay friends, anode product is so much important friends. Here this left hand side is the here present in the anode comma anode product, but his right hand side is cathode product and cathode. Okay friends, cathode product and cathode. This is the cell representation friends. This is the so much important friends. Here first of all you have to consider here these two lines. Here this is the medium is present in there, and what type of electrode. That electrode is concentration and temperature in mention, and the right hand side is reduction, in left hand side is oxidation. In right hand side is reduction, is cathode is a reduction takes place. So first of all here cathode product and comma cathode, and this is the anode and comma anode product. This is the cell representation. Now you will draw the cell representation of this electrolytic cell. Here present in the medium is molten, here this is the liquid state, and the electrolyte is Ca. And another one is that the platinum electrodes are present in the cathode side and negative side. Okay friends, the cell representation of this electrolytic is first of all, and first of all here medium. First of all in medium is molten. Okay friends, in molten state. And what is the electrolyte? Here electrolyte is Ca. Ca is the electrolyte, and we have to find out the concentration and temperature. Here this is the concentrations cannot mention. Okay friends, here applied to the high temperature. High temperature is applied to the in these electrolytes. It means solid is converted to the liquid. So here this is the representation of the high temperature. This is the one of the part. Okay friends, one of the part in cell representation. In this side is the cathode and in this side is anode. Here what happened here friends, here anode is a positive terminal, so here anode is a oxidation takes place. So anode is a the electrode is a platinum electrode. Okay friends, here this is the platinum electrode, here this is positive charge and comma. And what is the product? Okay friends, what is the product you will get? Product is here this is the cap. Okay friends, here this is the anion. Anion is loss of electron. Okay friends, anion is loss of electron to convert to the air. So the product is air. So this is the oxidation takes place. Okay friends, anion is loss of electron to convert to the air. This is the product. Okay friends, this is the platinum is a, and platinum is the electrode in this anode side, and this is the product. And what about the cathode product? Cathode product is a cation is gain of electrons towards in this cathode side. Okay friends, gain of electrons towards in the cathode side. Anion is loss of electrons towards in anode side. So what happened there friends, here cathode product is a gain of electrons, so this is converted into the C, and comma the platinum is electrode is present in there, this is the negative. Okay friends, this is the cell representation of the in this electrolytic cell representation. Okay friends, this is so much important friends. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is arrays. Now we are going to discuss about the qualitative aspect. That one more important example, molten NaCl. What is the you will get the products. Okay friends, this is clear friends. First of all, this is arrays. Okay friends, now we are going to discuss about the qualitative aspects. Okay friends, now we will discuss about the qualitative aspects. First example. Okay friends, now we will discuss about the qualitative aspects. Qualitative aspects is we will oxidize and we will reduce. Okay friends, this is the qualitative aspects. Qualitative aspects means we will oxidize and we will reduce. Okay friends, here first example is NaCl. First example is NaCl in molten state. NaCl in molten state. The electrode is used to the this NaCl molten state. Electrode is used to the platinum electrode. Okay friends, platinum electrode. This is so much important friends. Here first example is NaCl. This is the molten state, and electrodes are used in the this electrolytic cell is platinum electrode. Okay friends, now we have to draw the diagram. Okay friends, now how to draw the diagram is like this. Okay friends, now how to draw the diagram is like this. This is the diagram. Okay friends, here this is the NaCl electrolyte. This is the molten state. Okay friends, this is the NaCl electrolyte here molten state. This is the Na plus Cl minus. Okay friends, in NaCl is at equilibrium. This is the Na plus Cl minus. This is the molten state. Okay friends, this is so much important friends. This is the molten state. Okay friends, this electrolyte is a molten state. The two electrodes are dipped in this solution. The two electrodes are platinum electrodes. I am represented to the these platinum electrodes in this blue color like this. Okay friends, here represented to the platinum electrodes. In the platinum electrodes is directly converted to the battery negative terminal in this side, and this side is the right side is converted to the battery positive terminal. Okay friends, this is so much important friends. This is the positive and this is the negative. Okay friends, this is the cell representation. Here two platinum electrode. This is the diagram. These two electrodes. This is the platinum electrode. Here this is the platinum electrode. This is the anode, and here this is cathode. Friends, in anode is a oxidation takes place, and cathode is a reduction takes place. These two are the important aspects. So here the positive ions, here the negative charges are present in there. Here positive charges are present in there. Okay friends, this is the cell representation of the molten NaCl. Molten NaCl is a high temperature. Here this is the liquid state friends. Here liquid state. Here higher temperature is present in there. NaCl is converted to the molten NaCl is converted to the, it means solid is converted to the liquid. Here high temperature is applied, so this is the molten state. Here this is the only present in the ions is Na plus and Cl minus. Okay friends, this is the electrodes are present in the platinum electrode. Platinum electrode is cannot participate electrolysis process. Okay friends. Okay friends, now what is the qualitative aspects? You will oxidizing and we will reduce. Okay friends, first of all at anode side. Friends, at anode side oxidation takes place. At anode side is oxidation takes place. So what happened there friends? Here this is Cl minus ion. Cl minus ion is loss of electrons towards this anode side, towards this positive electrode, towards this anode side. Now what happened there friends? Here Cl minus ions is loss of electrons. Here loss of electrons. Here this is the loss of electrons. To convert it to the loss of electrons, to convert it to the Cl to gas. Okay friends, this is so much important friends. In this Cl minus ions is a towards in this side. Here this is the loss of electrons. It converted to the Cl to gas. Chlorine gas is released. Okay friends, now here what happened there friends? This is the balance of the equation. Here Cl minus ion, one electron is removed. This is the converted to the Cl2. For example, this is multiplied to the two Cl minus ions is converted to the Cl2 plus 2 electrons. Okay friends, this is the balance of this equation. Here what happened there friends? Loss of electrons. This is the anode. Okay friends, at anode is an oxidation takes place. So what happened there friends? Cl minus ions is converted to the Cl2 gas. But at cathode, okay friends, at cathode is a reduction takes place. Cathode is a reduction takes place. Now what happened there friends? Here this is the sodium is a Na plus is present in there. So Na plus is towards in this side. So gain of 1 electrons. This sodium plus, it means sodium Na plus is converted to the sodium metal. Okay friends, here Na plus is cation. So here gain of 1 electron is converted to the Na. Okay friends, this is the sodium metal is present in there. So here what happened there friends? Gain of gain of electron. Gain of electron, it is converted to the sodium metal. So this is also called as a, in this reduction takes place, this is the sodium metal is liberated, and here oxidation takes place, here chlorine gas is a released. Okay friends, these are the molten NaCl is present in the electrolyte. What happened there friends? You will oxidize and we will reduce. In oxidation is Cl2 gas is released. Okay friends, in reduction is Na is liberated. It means at anode, okay friends, at anode is a Cl2 gas is released. At cathode is a sodium metal is liberated. Okay friends, this is so much important friends. You have to understand the qualitative aspects. Qualitative aspects, for example, you have to understand the NaCl molten. Okay friends, NaCl is a molten state. The electrolyte is NaCl. What happened there friends? NaCl is anode is the oxidation takes place. In anode observe what happened there friends? Chlorine gas is released. Okay friends, chlorine gas is released, but at cathode side what happened there friends? Reduction takes place. It means sodium metal is liberated. Okay friends, this is the qualitative aspects. For example, you have to consider a NaCl in aqueous solution. Okay friends, NaCl in aqueous solution. This is second example. For example, NaCl in aqueous solution, what happened there friends? In NaCl in aqueous solution, NaCl is present in the electrolyte solution is water and NaCl. It means Na plus and Cl minus and water. Here water is a oxidation takes place, as the same time reduction takes place. So what happened there friends? In this particular case, for example, in NaCl in aqueous solution, what happened there friends? Two important key points are present in there. Here NaCl is present in the aqueous solution. What happened there friends? Na plus and Cl minus ion present in there. At the same time water is present in there. Water is also oxidation and reduction takes place. So in this particular example, you will discuss about the some important aspects. That aspects is also called as electrochemical series. Okay friends, so now you have to understand the electrochemical series. This example is easily solved. Okay friends, this is the important key points. So in this example I will discuss about my next video. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is the importance of the qualitative aspects. The example is molten NaCl. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.